Okay, so I have created a simple and clean responsive bootstrap portfolio website. It contains some CSS animation in it, and there are three main sections of this website. The first one is about me section. The second one is my project section. As you can see, all these sections contain some CSS animation in it. And the third one is my profile section, where you can share your profile if you have any. And at last, the contact button. You can simply download this project from the GitHub link that I will be providing in the description box. You can either clone the project or download it as a zip file. All the files are contained in this dist folder: index.html, style.css. It is a very simple website created with the help of Bootstrap. The image folder contains all the images that you are going to use for highlighting the project, for displaying the project. It is fully responsive, as I mentioned earlier. Let me check one more time. So I have changed the resolution to Galaxy S5, a mobile resolution. As you can see, the animation is still working and it is fully responsive. And by the way, there is see live and see code button also. See live, you all know if you have any live link of your project, and see code, obviously the GitHub link of your project. And at the end, there is a my profile section, and let's talk the contact me button. So if you are even new to the Bootstrap, this project is going to help you learn a lot about Bootstrap, especially the column class, because it is responsive. And as you can see, it is also using some card properties here. So give it a try, and if you are new to Bootstrap. Thanks for watching.